This is a modern car manufacturing factory where vehicle production begins. Thousands of cars are built here every day using advanced technology. Inside the factory, massive assembly lines run continuously. Humans and robots work together in perfect coordination. High-quality steel coils are stored before production begins. This steel forms the strong structure of the car. Automated cranes lift heavy steel rolls with precision. Everything is controlled by computer systems. Steel sheets are unrolled and prepared for shaping. Accuracy at this stage is extremely important. Lightweight aluminum materials are stored separately. They help improve fuel efficiency and performance. Plastic and composite materials are prepared for car parts. These materials reduce weight and improve design. Workers inspect raw materials using digital scanners. Only approved materials move forward. Conveyor systems transport materials automatically. This saves time and increases efficiency. The control room monitors the entire factory digitally. Every process is tracked in real time. Huge stamping machines press steel into body parts. These machines use extreme pressure. Car doors are shaped in seconds by stamping presses. Each part must match exact measurements. Roof panels are formed using high-speed machines. Precision is maintained at every step. Side panels are stacked after stamping. Robots handle the heavy parts safely. Hood panels move along automated conveyors. The process is fast and efficient. Robotic arms transfer parts to the next station. Automation reduces human error. Workers inspect stamped parts carefully. Any defect is immediately removed. Digital tools measure body panels accurately. Even tiny errors are detected. Extra metal is collected for recycling. This helps reduce factory waste. Stamped parts are stored in organized racks. Everything is labeled for easy access. Metal edges are checked for smoothness. Sharp edges are removed for safety. Multiple presses operate at the same time. This increases production speed. Safety systems protect workers near machines. Industrial safety is a top priority. An overhead view shows the stamping department. The layout is designed for efficiency. Automated carts deliver parts to welding. The body assembly process begins. Robotic arms weld car body parts together. Bright sparks appear during welding. Robots assemble the entire body frame. This creates a strong vehicle structure. Close-up welding shows extreme precision. Every joint must be perfect. Side frames are attached to the chassis. The car body slowly takes shape. Workers supervise the robotic process. Human control ensures quality. The metal skeleton of the car is visible. This frame provides strength and safety. Mechanical clamps hold parts in place. This keeps alignment accurate. Rear body sections are welded carefully. Structural balance is checked. Robots work in perfect synchronization. Automation increases consistency. Welding sparks light up the factory floor. The process is both powerful and precise. The finished body exits the welding line. It is now ready for painting. Engineers inspect weld joints closely. Safety standards are strictly followed. Scanners check body alignment digitally. Even millimeter errors are corrected. Technicians fix minor issues manually. Final accuracy is ensured. The body moves to the paint department. Appearance and protection come next. The car body is thoroughly cleaned. Oil and dust are completely removed. A rust prevention coating is applied. This protects the car for years. Bodies hang on overhead conveyors. They move smoothly through paint stages. Primer is sprayed evenly on the body. This helps paint stick properly. Robots spray the main paint color. The finish becomes smooth and glossy. Paint nozzles control thickness precisely. Consistency is extremely important. Multiple robots paint all angles. No spot is missed. Painted bodies enter a drying oven. Heat hardens the paint. Temperature is carefully controlled inside. This ensures long-lasting color. The shiny painted body exits the oven. The color looks perfect. Paint quality is checked under bright lights. Any flaws are identified. Workers polish small imperfections. This creates a flawless finish. Different colors move along the same line. Customization happens efficiently. Protective films are applied. They prevent scratches during assembly. Painted bodies head to final assembly. The car starts coming alive. Engine blocks are manufactured separately. They form the heart of the car. CNC machines shape engine parts precisely. Accuracy is critical for performance. Pistons and crankshafts are inspected. Only perfect parts are used. Engines are assembled step by step. Both robots and workers assist. Each engine component is fitted carefully. Precision ensures long engine life. Bolts are tightened using torque tools. Exact force is applied. Engines are tested before installation. Performance and safety are checked. Transmission systems are assembled nearby. They control power delivery. Gearboxes are built with extreme care. Smooth shifting is essential. Differential systems are prepared. They help control wheel movement. Suspension parts are assembled. They improve comfort and handling. Brake systems are manufactured. Stopping power is critical for safety. Exhaust systems are welded and shaped. They reduce emissions and noise. Fuel system components are prepared. Efficiency and safety are tested. All mechanical parts move to assembly. Everything comes together. Wiring harnesses are prepared carefully. Modern cars need complex electronics. Dashboards are assembled with electronics. Technology enhances driving experience. Infotainment systems are installed. Touchscreens add convenience. Climate control systems are installed. Comfort is a priority. Audio systems are fitted. Sound quality is tested. Airbags are prepared carefully. Safety is non-negotiable. Interior parts are organized efficiently. Assembly becomes faster. Seats are installed inside the car. The interior takes shape. The dashboard is mounted securely. Controls are now accessible. Door panels are attached. The cabin is nearly complete. The engine is installed into the body. This is a critical moment. Transmission connects to the engine. Power flow is established. Wheels and tires are mounted. The car can now stand on its own. Brake systems are connected. Safety systems are finalized. Suspension is fitted underneath. Ride quality is ensured. Exhaust systems are installed. The underbody is completed. Fuel tanks are mounted securely. Leak prevention is checked. Windshields are installed by robots. Perfect alignment is required. Doors are attached carefully. Smooth opening is tested. The hood and trunk are installed. Exterior shape is complete. Lights are fitted and tested. Visibility is essential. Side mirrors are mounted. Driver awareness improves. The battery is installed. Electrical power is activated. Final tightening is done by workers. Human inspection ensures quality. The car is now fully assembled. It looks ready for the road. Computer systems test all electronics. Software checks begin. The engine is started for the first time. Sound and vibration are monitored.